If you're a boat owner, you already know that boat lifts are the ultimate accessory. However, there are precautions and safety tips that I want to talk to you about today that will help you avoid injury and operate your boat in the safest way possible. Ignoring safety precautions could damage your boat or yourself. Don't be the person who learns this the hard way. Keep watching for more information on how to stay safe using a boat lift and tips for avoiding injury. If you need more information after this video is over, click on my website or call me using the phone number below. Proper positioning. There's a lot of confusion on where you need to land your boat on the lift. Do you center the boat on the lift, front to back, side to side, or do you simply line up your normal exit point with the part of the dock you normally get off? No. On cantilever or vertical lifts, the boat must be set and raised at the point where the carriage is raising with equal distribution, front to back and side to side. We have a few easy fixes for this. First of all, this might mean that the canopy doesn't line up the first time. No big deal. We just undo the bolts and move the canopy forward or back. It's a very easy job. This might mean that where you normally get off the boat isn't convenient now. So we need to move the whole lift or make accommodations on the dock to make it safe. Because really, that's the priority. So we do a rough calculation and make sure the boat is centered front to back. In this example, motors weigh significantly more than aluminum pontoons. Also, make sure we don't move the bunks to the one side of the lift to make it easier to exit the boat. Lots of boat lifts come with side bunks that double as steps, so you can keep your vessel centered in the middle of the lift and still be able to exit safely. If the vessel isn't centered properly on the lift, it won't raise all the pulleys at the exact same time and could cause binding, excess strain on some cables, premature cable fatigue, stretching, fraying, or worse, breaking. Lifting your boat too high. Although there's nothing wrong with raising your boat to the maximum height of the lift, there are a few things that you want to look out for. Number one, ensuring fishing poles, life jackets, fishing nets, towels are either inside the boat or taken off prior to raising. All these items can get caught in the cables, pulleys, lift structure and cause problems. If foreign objects get caught entangled in the cables or pulleys, there is a possibility for the cable to run off the pulley. Number three, ensuring the lift is level. Every time the lift is moved, you must check to ensure it's level. If the lift carrying your vessel isn't lifting square, there will always be problems with pulleys jamming, uneven cable wear, and risk of having your vessel collapsing the cradle or worse, the whole frame. Once you have determined the correct location, always start by checking vertical square, then by cradle square. If the lift isn't vertical, then you must adjust the legs or shim to ensure square. Once the legs are square, check the cradle. This may take time to ensure all corners are level. There should be nuts on all four corners. Start with one nut and slowly adjusting them back and forth until the cradle is square. When purchasing a boat lift, one of the things you want to talk about is safety. So the last thing you want to experience is a snapped cable. Watching your boat sink to the bottom of the lake, or worse, a potential injury to yourself or others. If you have any questions about boat lift safety or proper alignment, I'd love to help. Just go to my website or give me a call.